The most important thing is that it brings new ideas. We think out of the box, and from that idea, we can also go to other ideas. Really, really refreshing. What is Invesco? Well, Invesco is an international asset management company. We are independent. That means that we do not depend on any bank or insurance company. We only manage money. We have investment centers through all the globe, and we are the 5th asset management company in Spain.
The assignment from Invesco was to come up with a fund. It could either be an equity fund or fixed income fund that can compete on the market and outcompete the market.
We've only been in the Masters for 2 months, and we had to really be able to gather all the information we could in order to make a project which makes sense with the actual world, and it was not only based on ideas that didn't make sense.
The PBL methodology is very, very intentional. It puts you in real-time places. It helps us understand how it feels to work in these organizations. So it gives you hands-on training. It helps you understand the market, the office, the environment, and helps you decide your future much better.
The planning and the preparation to bring an idea and to present it, both on a qualitative and also on a quantitative point of view, is fabulous. And also the feedback that these executives and senior management gives to the students, it brings a lot to them, and it will help them in their professional careers.